It's Michael McKeon from Castle Booze, who's been doing the feasibility study for the Franklin High School project.
The facilities evaluation noted 6 areas of concern. We've been through this before, but I will remind you at least that the condition of the building and the systems, it's an old building. There has been actually an exemplary effort by the district here to maintain the systems, and a lot has been invested, much more than most districts, but still, it's an old building. Inadequate space for some of the programs. Small general classrooms, they're 750 to 758 square feet, which is maybe is good for some things, but not others, especially with technology in the rooms. And we have throughout the school inadequate technology, inadequate networking and equipment and availability to the students. Poor circulation. As you know, the building was designed as a 4-house system, which has 4 two-story wings. They're not connected above, so there's a lot of movement up and down and across through the main level. It creates a lot of congestion. For those of you who have been there at class changes, you know that. And there are many organizational inefficiencies, the way the building was originally laid out, the fact that the departments, such as science department and so on, are divided rather than in one place. From there, we developed some design option guidelines. We realized, came quickly to the conclusion that a renovation, a reorganization is needed, that additions would be needed. It cannot be totally renovated within the present footprint. And we need to fulfill the space need requirements, which were approximately 57,000 square feet plus an auditorium, beyond the 308,000 square feet that of the existing facility. We came up with 3 options, and essentially the options are the things that move around in this are the auditorium and the science wing. The first one looked at the science wing, a new science wing on the right-hand side. That would also mean using the old science classrooms, converting them to new use, and now you'd have some larger classrooms to mix in with the smaller general classrooms. And building beyond the area where the current music department is, a new auditorium, and connecting them actually at the second level of the science wing. The cost of that is estimated at $2,008, somewhere between $95 and $100 million. Again, these numbers are square foot numbers. Looking at the level, there's a lot of detail in the report about how we came up with these, but the level of renovation needed in different parts of the building and the cost of new construction based on $2,008. The second option actually had the science wing on the other side. It renovated the current auditorium. And there was a technology wing, you can see to the right of the main entrance. All of these actually reconfigure the main entrance. There's a lot of space there, but it's not a particularly welcoming entrance, and these actually address that concern. An expansion also of the administration. This is a little less expensive because it has less new construction. It's estimated somewhere between 94 and 99. Design option 3, which is really the option that we felt best met, certainly meeting with all the people we met with, including the principals council, members of the district, that this was the best option. This essentially renovates the center portion of the school. I'm going to try and point to in here, and builds a 2-story science wing, essentially 2 science classrooms, two on 2 levels, and uses that to connect the second level. Also creates a large central area, center of the academic area, if you will, that will certainly enhance circulation. And creates a new entrance with an auditorium. This is an exterior space, auditorium that is separated from the school. We looked at several different options of where to put it. This was considered to be probably the most acceptable. But again, it is a separate freestanding building and administration. And that was estimated at approximately 93 to 97 million.